Tsunami.
Getting lost in the jungle in your car.
That's my wife's car.
No GPS. So Dave and Ken are going to be getting lost in a jungle, and Justin and Grace are going to be providing the sound effects that would go along with being lost in the jungle. Just whatever sound effects you think are appropriate, Dave and Ken will make that work. Begin.
Should I try to start the car? Sure. Can I have your machete so we can get this bamboo stuff out of the way first? Sure.
Shing.
Not double-bladed. Yes. Nice. Gillette. All right, here we go. There we go. Watch out, don't hit that bird. Too late. I guess it's just thinking about getting hit. Well, if we get hungry later, but chances are you will. You're right, I will. Wait, my stomach's crawling right now. Is it a tiger? I thought maybe the car started. No, I thought you had gas. I thought I just heard a tiger. Anyhow, let's try to start the car. Get back in the car. Open the doors. All right. You gotta use the bathroom, or? I guess not. Go ahead. I'll turn the key. All right. Start it right up. That's pretty good. Amazing. Wow. That's great. Well, you want to walk? Or you want to drive? It's up to you. Let's drive. All right. I'll put it in gear. I think I ran over a banana or something. Yeah, look. Let's go take a look at us. Shut the doors.
Slam.
Oops. Sorry about that. That's okay. All right. Oh, hold on. Wait. I want to try that door again. Did you get any on you? I guess not. Okay. Are you hungry for that bird yet? Yeah. You want to cook them up? Sure. All right. Get it. If I could bend over, I would. Sorry. Boy, that stinks. Maybe it's the bird. Let's see. Oh, he's still alive! He's still alive! Whack it on the car! Oh! I think that's enough. Let me have his turn. It just took off! It did! It's a miracle! He's alive! It is. Wow. Is it raining? I thought maybe that was Michael Myers. Take him first. He's bigger than me. Well, something's over there in the bushes. You in the bushes? Maybe it's that tiger. I think it is. It went. Was that you?
Hi.
Hi. That's amazing. Wow. What? How are you, Mr. Tiger? Maybe that's the one that ate Siegfried. He's.
And scene.